Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of technology. Today, we've got some groundbreaking news from the audio front, and it's coming from none other than DJI, the pioneers in innovative tech solutions. DJI has been synonymous with cutting-edge technology, and now they're set to redefine the audio experience with the upcoming release of the DJI Mic 2. Scheduled to launch on January 17th, this microphone is causing quite a stir in the industry, and for good reason. Now, we all know that when it comes to video production, audio quality is just as crucial as video quality, and DJI, with its unparalleled expertise, is about to set a new benchmark with the DJI Mic 2. Anticipation is building as the release date approaches, and today, we've got an exclusive sneak peek, thanks to Igor Bogdanov. He's given us a first look at official product pictures and comprehensive specifications. And trust me, it's worth the hype. One of the standout features of the DJI Mic 2 is its Intelligent Noise Cancellation. This game-changing innovation is designed to effectively reduce ambient noise, ensuring crystal-clear conversations even in challenging environments like dense urban areas or confined spaces. This makes the DJI Mic 2 an ideal companion for content creators, vloggers, and professionals who demand impeccable audio quality. But DJI doesn't just stop at functionality. They understand the importance of aesthetics. The DJI Mic 2 comes in two captivating colors, pearl white and shadow black. The sleek design choices not only make a style statement, but also pose a delightful dilemma for users torn between these eye-catching options. And let's talk about the charging case. DJI has taken it to the next level with subtle yet significant changes. Crafted from quality metal, the charging case not only looks sleek, but also functions seamlessly with a new latch mechanism for easy opening and closing. Now, let's dive into the impressive features that the DJI Mic 2 packs. It supports 32-bit floating-point internal recording, extending the dynamic range for audio capture. Battery life gets a boost from 15 hours to an impressive 18 hours with the charging box, ensuring prolonged usage without interruptions. The touchscreen has been upgraded from 0.95 inches to 1.1 inches, providing a more intuitive and responsive interface. The transmitter/receiver battery capacity has been increased, contributing to extended usage between charges. And let's not forget the new wheel control, offering users more versatility in managing their audio settings. In conclusion, the DJI Mic 2 is a testament to DJI's commitment to pushing the boundaries of audio technology. With intelligent noise cancellation, sleek design choices, and enhanced features, it's poised to be a game-changer in the audio recording landscape. As we eagerly await its release on January 17th, the DJI Mic 2 looks set to redefine the expectations of what a premium microphone can deliver. Make sure to stay tuned to AB Studios for the latest updates on this groundbreaking release. If you're as excited as we are about the DJI Mic 2, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates. Until next time, I'm signing off. Happy filming and recording.